In this video, I'm going to show you how to send money from your Venmo account over to your Cash App account. Now, both Venmo and Cash App are really popular finance apps. They let you send and receive money instantly with friends, split bills, and even give you debit cards you can use in stores. Some people also use them for things like investing in stocks or Bitcoin. But one thing you might run into is figuring out how to move money from Venmo to Cash App, since there isn't a direct transfer button. So here's the most efficient way to do it step by step. First, open up the Venmo app. Make sure you're on the Me tab in the bottom right corner. Here you'll see your Venmo balance at the top of the screen. Let's say I have $35 sitting in my Venmo balance. Right next to that, you'll see a big blue transfer button. Tap on it. Venmo now gives you two options. The first is instant transfer. This will move your money over to your linked bank account within minutes, but it comes with a fee. For example, transferring $35 might charge around 61 cents. The exact fee will change depending on the amount you're moving. The higher the amount, the higher the fee. The second option is the standard 1 to 3 business days transfer. This one is free, but of course it's slower. For this walkthrough, I'll choose the free option. So I'll tap on 1 to 3 business days and then confirm the transfer. You'll see a message saying the transfer has started. Now, once that money hits your linked bank account, the next step is to move it into Cash App. Open the Cash App on your phone. From the home screen, make sure you're on the Money tab. That's the icon in the bottom left corner. Here, you'll see your current Cash App balance. In my example, it shows $87. To add money from your bank into Cash App, tap on Add Cash. You can either pick a preset amount or tap the 3 dots to type in the exact amount you transferred from Venmo. I'll enter $35, then tap Add. Cash App might ask you to confirm with Face ID, fingerprint, or your PIN. Once you do that, the money is instantly added to your Cash App balance. You can see here that my balance went up from $87 to $122. And that's it. That's the full process for moving money from Venmo into Cash App. It's basically a 2-step transfer. Venmo to your bank account, and then bank account to Cash App. Now that your money is inside Cash App, you can spend it with your cash card, send it to friends, invest in stocks or Bitcoin, or just keep it in your balance for later. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees moving money around, Wise is one of the best ways to do it. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with 0 fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below.